Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. Where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button. It's called the notification bell, and I recommend that you press it. What ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email informing you that I just uploaded a brand new video. I upload a lot, and I want to make sure that you guys don't miss out because sometimes my videos are time sensitive, like today. So I want to make sure that when you have that notification bell turned on, you will receive that email, and it's a good little reminder. Also, if you press on the picture that's in that email, it will show you what the video is about and the title of the video, and if you press on it, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. So it's something I use and I enjoy, and I always like to make sure that you guys know about it as well. We're going to be starting this video a little bit differently because when I turned on my computer this morning, this page showed up. So I'm going to do the add-ons first, and then I'm going to see time-wise if we have time to go through the other things of what's in my actual bags. But I think what's really important is what the add-ons are. I like to know what's in my bags before I start choosing my add-ons, but for this purpose, for you guys, I want to make sure that you guys know what the add-ons are. So today is the 2nd of the month, and that is the IPSY day. There's a lot that's going on in the world right now, and I wasn't sure if I was going to do this, and I'm really conflicted because we all feel what's going on. So it is the 2nd. I want to make sure that, that everyone knows that this is what is going on. And I don't want you guys missing out, but it doesn't mean that I'm not feeling or knowing what's going on in the world. So let's just put that out there. All right. So the first items that they're offering in my Glam bag here that we're looking at, it's saying I'm going to get the Dr. Brandt, the Ciate London, and this other brand, which is going to be new to me, which looks like it is from this brand called ULTA. There's more to the bag, but that's what's showing up on the screen, so I just wanted to make sure you knew about it. So I just want to go through the add-ons for this. So this is choosing your add-ons before we ship your bag. They're saying we're going to be able to put 8 extra products, and they will ship within our bag for free. So the first items that we're going to go through are the $18, and these are full size. It used to be $12 was the most expensive for the full size, but IPSY has been putting more expensive products in our bags. So now, if you don't get the ultimate bag, but yet there's some of the items that they might put in the ultimate bag because it is a more expensive bag, that you will be able to now choose it for yourself for the $18. So I like that they're doing this new $18 area. So the first, and just so you know, the IPSY has 3 bags. They have the $12 bag, which is 5 full-size products. 5 sample size products. Sometimes there's a full size in there. Then they have the plus, which is very similar to the base box in reference to price, and it's $25 and it's 5 full size. But I find IPSY and BoxyCharm are very different. And then we have the ultimate, which is 8 full size and then 4 sample sizes. And all of them with IPSY come with a bag. So let me just go through this. Okay, so this is the $18 full size product. So you have this Kate Somerville, which is Wrinkle Warrior Hydration Gel. We have from Kate Somerville this ceramide serum. And then from Gold Fadden MD is Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance. This is a really, really good product. I have had the opportunity to try the Kate Somerville in a sample size. Kate Somerville is really a very strong condensed product. So if you're going to pick these up, you have to use very little. The Golden Fadden MD is a real find. The products I find are excellent. This Dark Circle I've used, and I used it all the way to the end. And when I do that, I know it's a product that I really, really enjoy. The next item is from First Aid Beauty. It is an Eye Duty Brightening Cream. It's another product that I did enjoy, but if I had to choose between the two, I would choose the Gold Fadden MD. The next item I haven't had the opportunity to try yet. I just got it last month. It is the Weightless Face Moisturizer with SPF 25, and it's from the brand Derma Medicine. So That's why I wish I had the opportunity to try it, because I could tell you guys more about it. Okay, the next is their $12 full size. And the first item is from Release Beauty. It is a matcha green tea antioxidant priming moisturizer. The next item is I Do Care. It's a mini scoop set. Then they have the Nacific Fresh Herb Eye Cream. And then from Release Beauty, the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. I have had the opportunity to try a lot of Release products, and all of them have been fantastic. So if you have an opportunity to try, they're really, really good. The next item is from Feel. It's a Harmony Rose Petal Facial Mask. I have tried this. I'd used it only a couple times, so I don't know results-wise, but if you're not a lover of the rose scent, this is very, very faint. The next item is from IPSY. It is by Petra. It is their Beyond Black Lashes. This looks like it's a dual mascara, so I'm going to have to look into that a little further. And then, okay, the next item is from Male Beauty. It is the Dawn to Dust eyeshadow palette. Then we have Ciate London. It is a Marble Metals eyeshadow in Entwine. The Ciate London is a fantastic, fantastic brand. Then they have the Marble Metals eyeshadow in Wicked. Then from Flesh, they have the Flesh to Flesh highlighting powder in Jump, as well as in Rise and Certain. So you have 3 choices of colors there. Then this looks like it's going to be in my bag. It's called Badass MF in Michelle. Then we have Trestique. It's the mini lip glaze set. I own this. I've tried this. I enjoy this. The next item is Thun Eden Breeze Body Butter. And then from Playa, the new Day Mist. I have received this, and once again, I haven't had the opportunity to try it yet. Then the Sela Sea to Skin Scrub Natural Grain Polish. This Sela brand is a really, really good brand. I got introduced to it from IPSY, and I have their hand cream, and I've repurchased the hand cream. So, and then this is something they do that I really enjoy too, because a lot of people don't want to spend the $50 on the ultimate bag, but they always like the bag that's in the in that box, and it's like a train case. It's usually the largest bag, and it's really nice that they put it in here in the options. So if you're not getting it, then you have the opportunity to get it. And this is the June Glam Bag Ultimate Bag, and it's the bag only. Then they have their $3 add-ons, which is what I love to go through, because I always try to do my own customized bag. And I like to usually choose between 4 and 5, so then between $12 and $15, I get to make my own customized bag without the bag, but I get all the products. All right, so here's your $3 add-on choices. You have the Sulfate Acne Treatment Mask from Sunday Riley. From IT Cosmetics, we have the Confidence in the Gel Lotion Moisturizer. From Youth to the People, we have the Superfood Cleanser. From Hey Honey, we have Look Into My Eyes Retinol Eye Mask. Then they're offering here this brand called Sorochi Spotlight Eye Cream. And then from Ciate London, they have the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. From Naked Cosmetics, they have the Lip Scrub in Vanilla Cream. Then from First Aid Beauty, they have the Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. Then from Santique, they have I'm Pure Ciate Sunscreen. From Dermadeli, they have an eye serum. From H2O, they have a Hydration Nourishing Gel Cream. And from Cellulite, they have a Perfect Cleansing Oil Foam. A lot of these are brands I've never seen before, so I'm really excited. Then we have Ceramedic. They have a Soothing Cream. They have from Essence Herb a Tea Tree Foam Cleanser. From Pure Heals, they have the Ginseng Berry 80 Overnight Mask. From Panda Eye, they have the Mask Set. From Hannah Lee, they have some face masks that looks like a duo in a lychee and a papaya. Then another brand, Nanita Lepore, which is body lotion in colors of Nanette. From Bubble Tea, they have a Moroccan Mint Tea Shower Gel. From Estate Cosmetics, they have a Do Me Baked Highlighter in Lit. Then from Lottie London, they have a Shimmer Squat Highlighter in Good Girl. The Beauty Crop, they have an eyeshadow in Serene as well as Halo. From Phase Zero Makeup, they have a blusher in Cotton Candy. From Belle Angel, this is one that I do know. It is fantastic. It is the Lip Lure Gloss in Jealous of Us. Then from Sugar Cosmetics, they have the Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in Voila. Then from Contact Skin, another great brand, matte lipstick in Sweet Emotion, and Contact Skin, a matte lipstick in Come Clean. Then they have from Mael Beauty, they have, it looks like some tinted lips in Fuchsia and Nectar. From C'est Moi, they have a lip gloss in Opulence. From Sugar Cosmetics, they have a Wingman eyeliner. From Dupes, they have a mascara. From Verb, they have a hydrating mask. From Marc Anthony, the True Professional, it's a leave-in conditioner. I just received this in the mystery bag, so I'm excited to try that. I just got it. From Cake Beauty, I have Milk Made body cream. The coffee scrub has fantastic reviews. I got it also, and I haven't had the opportunity to use it yet, but this one's in the scent French Vanilla. And from Kenny C, they have the body lotion Ken C Eau de Perfume. This is the lotion. I did get the perfume. It is a beautiful scent, so this might be something I'm going to pick up. And then Mael Beauty, they have the blending sponge. And then, of course, they have a couple of brushes, which are always, to me, wins in the $3 section. They have an eye shader brush, and they have this Luxie Periwinkle Blue tapered brush. And by the looks of this one, I do own this, and it is a very unique brush in a way that it's very light, so it's really to dust powder off. It really, to me, is not a brush that places products. It really is for if you have a really strong highlighter and you want to just put a feint of it on, that's what you would use this brush for, or to brush the powders off. So that's all the add-ons. I'm just going to go quickly here to show you guys the other items that I'm going to be getting in the ultimate bag, just let's see if I can do it this way here. Okay, there's a Huda Beauty sponge. There's the UFO Sunday Riley facial oil. I have a banana setting powder, which I love, Bella Pierre Cosmetics, as well as something from Murad. So I'm excited about that as well. It looks like there's and that's the item that I picked. And then they have, oh, I'm so excited. This is the Balms Cosmetic Auto Balm Girl Power. And then I'm getting a brush set from La Rousse, as well as the Pore Tightening Clay Mask. And then from this brand called Dupes, which I think is a really good, a really good brand. It's this is a limited edition Smoky Pro palette. And then there's the bag that I'm going to be getting. So I'm just going to go up here and see if I can show you guys what I'm going to be getting in my other bags. So they're calling it Make the Waves here, and let's just see if I go here to the first one. Okay, this is going to be what's in my Glam bag. So the first item looks like it's going to be the face sheet mask in pear and pineapple. Then Fuchsiana B Miami, another great brand that I've had the opportunity to try her shadows. I am enjoying them. This looks like it is going to be a dual eyeshadow. Then this was my pick, was the Pacifica Cherry Gold Highlighter and Blush. Then from KVD Vegan Beauty, the Locket Set in Powder, which I own and I enjoy. And then the Juliette Has a Gun Vanilla Vibes Eau de Perfume. And then that's the bag that we're going to be getting in the first bag. Then the middle one, which is the Glam Bag Plus, which is, I told you, the $25 bag. What's going to be in my bag is from Honey Jarrette, a Clean Cover Cushion Foundation in Golden Honey. That might be a bit dark for me, but we'll see. Then from Dr. Brandt Skincare, we have a Pore No More Luminizing Primer. Then from Honey, Hey Honey, is one that I picked because I have been impressed with this brand, and it is an expensive brand, so if I had an opportunity to pick it, I will. This is Take Away the Drama. It is a Boosting Honey and Copper Peel. This Laura Geller, I'm going to have to write to them. I did already receive this in my bag. This is the Urban palette in Central Park, and that was the color that I did receive. And then Bliss Oh My Gommage Cleansing Stick, and then that's the bag, which, like, I'm happy that they're using, it looks like the same material in all three bags, and just the size of the bag is different. So that's everything that I'm going to be getting in my bags, and we just went through the add-ons. So I just wanted to share that with you guys and just do a quick video so that Just a reminder of what you're going to be getting, that today is the day that you get to make your choice of today is not the choice day. Today is the day that you're going to have the opportunity to see what's in your bag and then make your choices of if you want to add any add-ons into your bag. All right. If you're enjoying my content, it's really important that you guys take the time to give me a thumbs up, which is right available underneath the video. That helps other people, YouTube inform other people about my channel. We're getting very close to that 1,000, which is to me the YouTube mark that enables me to get other privileges on the YouTube platform. So I really hope that you guys will help me by giving me that thumbs up and sharing my videos and telling other people to subscribe to the channel, because then I'll be able to have the community tab and some other things that you get benefits when you have 1,000 subscribers. So very excited that you guys are enjoying my channel and my content, and that I am so close to that 1,000. It means a lot. So to everybody, please continue to stay safe and stay well, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.